Solutions 4.0 for airtightness in openings. My name's Koen Anthierens. I'm a business development in the company Soudal. Soudal is a Belgian company, a family business with a single owner. We operate all around the world with more than 3,000 workers, and we specialize in adhesives, sealants, and also polyurethane foam. So this is the reason why that it's very important. In our building, we have this gorilla made from silicon. It's very important that in the planning stage, we should never be the last in line. Nobody builds a building or designs a building thinking about the joints or products they will use. Therefore, these only arises when pathologies appear. As part of the philosophy in Soudal, we believe that from the video to the wall, we always want to be present, and it's in this last stage, efficient installation of windows in openings, that's where we want to be even more present. So it's our presence in the planning of the project is extremely important, because often the dimensions may not be very clear, so we cannot be present digitally. For this purpose, we have developed two systems. The first system is SolarFin, SudaFrame, which is a glass fiber pre-frame, and also Soudal plugin for Revit, so that we can use all of our products in the planning stage. The first part, well, it's traditionally important to understand that carpentry was installed from interiors, and this it tends to be the approach, but with Passive House, this has changed, and if possible, we can take them to maintain isotherms aligned. We can even take them to the exterior in line with the insulation of the facade. As a result, there have been many invented mechanical anchoring systems or improvised systems that can serve as potential thermal bridges. For this reason, we decided to develop a new system. Considering how difficult it can be to correctly seal these type of installations, it's clear that improvements had to be introduced, and that's what we tried to do. We tried to do something different to provide a solution to such a problem. We have certificates for all climates, both cold, hot and mild temperatures. This fiberglass pre-frame, SolarFrame, is a solution that provides two things. Apart from being easier to guarantee airtightness, it also allows us to define, as you can see in the red elements in the slide, we can precisely determine the dimensions between the frame and the pre-frame. And this allows us to work digitally and for planning purposes. If we look at the difference between the projects on the left, well, we had to struggle a little bit in order to correctly cover, to protect against water and rain penetration to guarantee water tightness, and compare it with the right, well, you can see the right-hand picture shows clear advantages. And since it's also made from fiberglass, thermal performance is clear. It's long-lasting. It's a material that's able to handle loads of up to 800 kilos per meter, and it's very clean to work with. It's been used in different projects, refurbishment and rehabilitation projects, where we've been able to increase exterior insulation and even prepare the carpentry in the warehouse, in the factory, with the sealant included. So if in this way, when we go to the site, and we can also apply the Soundbite liquid membrane, which is Passive House certified, we can create a perfect hermetic seal. We can also apply this with a material such as the Soudal foam that creates a hermetic seal without any perforations. Knowing the distance and the dimensions, we created the BIM Soudal suite system. In this way, the products will never be obsolete, and thus guaranteeing integration. This allows us to select both the pre-frame and all of the technologies that are available for use when it comes to undertaking a project of this type. Access is free. There's an option of using it generically. So in the case of an official tender, when a project has to be presented, we can also do that. It also allows for that. All of the products are available. All of the features, technical specifications, you don't have to go and look for them. It's all available here in the SIM system. So it's all benefits. At the end, this means that in the future we'll be more digital, and Soudal would like to be ready to be able to provide the necessary support to architects. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you found the presentation interesting. Thank you.